How to buy CryptoHunter World token. So this token came under the symbol of XHUNT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, so before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Go and don't forget to engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain. Now open your Bitget wallet. For that, click on your wallet here and select the BNB chain as a network. Click here on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called XHUNT. So after you find it, click on it, and here click on swap and switch from here from the top. Select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet before going and buy this token. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy XHUNT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.